Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I want to share with you a quick and simple little product that will save you over $300 in repair costs, let alone the downtime of not having your machine while it's getting repaired. Now, although I'm going to be going over the SmartPro today, this really applies to all machines that use a pin port style adapter like this, okay? So now, we all probably know, right, when you go and program a vehicle, you take the cable, you plug this end into the OBD2 port, and you take this end and you plug it into your machine like this. Now, this is a really wear part of the machine, okay, right? Every time you program a vehicle, you're essentially putting this cable on and then you're pulling it off. Now, when I've done it before, I've typically always been good at being careful when I'm installing it, before I program a key to a vehicle. But afterwards, right, when you take this and you go just kind of set it in your case, you're usually kind of ripping this out real quick, and that's a problem, right? Is what will happen here is if you damage any of these little pins, right, the machine isn't going to be able to connect to the vehicle through the cable, and you're going to have to send it in for repair. Now, at the time of this recording, a repair cost is a little over $300 to send your machine in, get this port repaired, and sent back to you. And that doesn't include all the downtime that you don't have this machine. All right. Now, with every machine sold, this little pin saver adapter is included. The part number is ADC2002. Or if for some reason you don't have one, you can purchase these separately. If the one that you have, when it eventually breaks, you can just purchase another one and put it on here, right? No big deal. All right. Now, is what this does, right? It's going to put a buffer between the machine and these pins here. So if you do, or I should say when these eventually break, you can just pop this off, pop another one on, or even temporarily not use one if you need, and keep programming keys, all right? Now the thing is that this is something that's so simple to overlook, right? When you get your machine, it's just kind of tucked down in here in a little bag, and it's real easy just to not pay attention to it and move on. So let's just install this together real quick. I'll show you how simple it is, and let's just make sure that when you're using these type of machines that you're putting one of these on to save yourself the frustration, all right? So let's go ahead, and so all I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to push it down on here just like that, all right? Once it's on like that, I'm just going to take a screwdriver. They do come with these little thumb things that you can use to install it, but I'd rather just use a screwdriver here. And we'll just go ahead and put it on like that. Just install those just like that. All right, so that took me way under 2 minutes to do, and now we're going to be protected from a $300 repair cost that's not needed and the downtime. So if you have one of these machines or a machine like it, let's make sure we get these pin adapters installed. Thanks. We'll see you next time.